Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix mobile data not working on Android phone. So let's start. So first let's go to settings, and here on settings let's go to the part that says connections. Okay, so here let's go to connection and sharing, and then you can check here the connection. You can the first method it's data usage. Let's go to data usage here, and just select the app that you are specifically to use or not working. So for example, I will select, I don't know, for example, AliExpress. Okay, here you can check that is mobile data Wi-Fi. So you have to check that these two options are activated. What means that if you have data, you can use AliExpress, but also you can use Wi-Fi if you don't have data. So it's important to activate it. Okay, you can do it with any app that you prefer. And the next thing is reset the mobile networks and Bluetooth. You can reset all of these, and maybe this will fix the bug problem that you have on your device. And also, well, it's important to know that you have to have the password for your Wi-Fi. Okay, so when you do it, just click there and try to use again your mobile data. So guys, I hope one of these methods helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.